Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ahmad Zaman, and I welcome you to the February Fest 2021 hosted by Inkspell Media. Today, we will be celebrating two fundamentals of our economy, which are real estate and infrastructure and the digital industry. I welcome all the statesmen and the drivers of digital who are present with us today. And without further ado, let us proceed with the program since it's already time. And we have quite a lot of people who've joined us. So let's begin with today's program. The first session of today's program will be rewarding real estate champions and the champions of the infrastructure and architecture industry in India, which is the Statesman Awards 2021. I hope the screen is visible to everybody out there. So yes, here we go. We will begin our program with the Statesman Awards for 2021. And these awards are for the construction, infrastructure, and real estate industries. This program is organized by Inkspell Media in association with India Creative Industries Council and the Global Trends Forum. You can tweet about the event if you're winning, if you're participating, if you're one of the speakers, if you're an attendee. You can tweet about the event using the hashtag #Statesman. We shall now begin with the awards felicitation. And the first category of award is for the best architect in a shared spaces, co-working or co-living industry. And this award goes to Larsen and Toubro and Ford, L&T EDRC, Ford Global Technology and Business Center, Chennai. Do we have somebody from the team to speak and acknowledge the award? Okay, we have somebody from the team. Can you come up and speak about this achievement and something about the case study?
Hello, can you hear us?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Although
Yes.
But we can hear you. Yes.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
This is A.T. Lakshmanan, Project Director, L&T Construction. It is very happy moment to join in this meeting. It is our immense pleasure being our Ford project Chennai built by L&T Construction won this prestigious gold award under the first of all, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to this. It's our immense pleasure being Ford project Chennai built by L&T Construction won this prestigious gold award under the category of best architect and subcategory of shared office spaces. I take these opportunities to recall our L&T Construction EDRC, who was the drive force in making this project as masterpiece and began tons of effort being put by project execution team with the stringent quality checks, strong customer focused approach, unmatched expertise, and a continuous push for a world-class quality that came true today with many awards such as Green Building Platinum rating from IGBC, Outstanding Young Concrete Structure Award from ICI, and ROSPA, the Royal Society for the Prevention of Accident Gold Award, and many more. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Lakshmanan, and congratulations to the entire team of Larsen and Toubro and Ford for this award. We shall now move to the next category of award, and this is for the best construction consultancy. And this award goes to CBRE. Next category of award is for the best developer in the aviation sector. And this award goes to the GMR Group. The next category is for the best developer in the commercial space. And this award is backed by DLF. The next category is best developer in the hospitals space. And this award goes to Akash Group. Our next award is for the best developer in the hotels or hospitality category, and this award goes to Marriott International. The next award is for the best developer in a luxury segment, and this award goes to M3M. I guess there is a representative from this company who would like to speak about their campaign. Can you please raise your hand so we can have you up on screen? Okay, so we have Mr. Sudeep from the team who would like to speak on this achievement.
Hi, Zaman, am I audible?
Yes, Mr. Sudeep, you are.
So we would really want to thank you for bestowing this honor to us, and I so wish that our director could have been here to receive this award, but he'd been caught up on something urgent. So on behalf of this entire team, I would want to thank you, your team, and people who make this possible for us. And it certainly motivates us to keep doing the good work and taking things forward. So thank you so very much for this honor and this recognition.
Thank you, Sudeep, and congratulations to you and your entire team at M3M.
Thank you.
We will now move to our next category, and this is for the best developer in a residential space, and this award goes to Lodha Group. The next category is the best developer in a retail space, and this award is taken by Unitech. The next award is for the best developer in a township category, and this award goes to House of Hiranandani, the Hiranandani Group. The next category is for the best digital marketing in a luxury space, and this award is taken by Purva Atmosphere. Do we have somebody from the team who would like to come up and acknowledge the award? I guess we do have somebody. Can you please raise your hand so we can have you up on screen? Okay, so we have Mr. Dhanraj from the team who would like to speak. Hi, Dhanraj. Dhanraj, are you able to hear us?
Yeah, hi Zaman, I can hear you. I mean, what category did you announce? There's some disruption in what you're saying.
So we've announced the category of best digital marketing in the luxury segment in which you have won the award.
On that, I would like to
your voice is breaking up a bit.
audible? Hello?
Audible, but it
Hello?
is getting disrupted a
Hello?
lot. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go on. I mean, it's been a big project for us because we want to use COVID. As you know, real estate has always been important. I mean, cycle engaging for customer. So we came with this, innovative. How?
There's a lot of disturbance, Mr. There's a lot of differences,
I think
disturbance, and we are getting disconnected. Okay, anyway, yeah, thank you so much, and congratulations to the entire team for this achievement. Moving on to our next category of award, and this is for the best interior design in the aviation sector. And this award goes to Zaha Hadid Architects. The next category is for the best interior design in a commercial space, and this award goes to Sobha Interiors. The next award is for the best interior design in a hotels or hospitality category, and this goes to CQB. The next category is for the best interior design in a luxury segment, and this award goes to Gauri Khan Design. Our next category is for the best interior design in a residential segment, and this award goes to Milind Pai Architects. The next category is for the best project in a retail segment, and this award is won by Omax World Street, Faridabad. Our next category is for the best project management in an aviation sector, and this award goes to Turner International. The next category of awards is for the best project management in a commercial sector, and this award goes to CBRE. The next category is for the best project management in the hospitals category, and this award is won by Mace. The next category is for the best project management in the hotels space, and this award goes to Hill International. The next category is for the best project management in a residential category, and this award goes to JLL. The next category is for best project management in a shared space, co-working or co-living category. And this award again goes to Larsen & Toubro and Ford L&T Construction, Ford Global Technology and Business Center, Sholinganapur, Chennai. We have on the team. We have Mr. Lakshmanan again, who would like to speak on this award achievement.
I convey our gratitude to jury who have chosen our Ford project as winner of Gold Award under the category of project management. under the subcategory of shared office spaces. Since the given time for me to speak is less than a minute, I must recall that team effort been put as I had been project director for this Ford GTPC, our project planning team, project quality control team, safety and all other service department who made this possible in achieving this award, irrespective of many hurdles like Varda cyclone, where entire footprint was flooded with water, dynamic political change, imposed change in government regulations and statutory policies like tax, currency change, etc. And on top, from day one, the project team committed to deliver best-in-class product was big challenge in front of US client Ford, which built the pressure among the whole team and finally demonstrated excellence in construction under one umbrella, so-called L&D construction. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rathapan, and congratulations to the team once again. With that, we move on to the next category of awards, and this is for the best project management in a tourism category. And this award again goes to Turner International. The next category is for the best property or project in aviation category. This award goes to Delhi International Airport Limited. The next category of awards is for the best property or project in a commercial space, and this award goes to Supernova Spira. The next category is for the best property or project in the hotel space, and this award is backed by Taj Theog Shimla. The next category is for the best property or project in a residential category, and this award is won by Omkar 1973 Worli. The award for the best property project in a township category goes to the House of Hiranandani Fortune City. The next category is for the best use of technology in a sustainable category. And this award again goes to Larsen & Toubro and Ford for L&T Construction Ford Global Technology and Business Center, Chennai 119. I guess we have Mr. Rathapan or somebody from the team who would like to acknowledge this award and speak about the use of technology that they have done. Do we have somebody? Okay, we do not have somebody. We will move to the next category with that. And the next category is, we'll move to the previous category because we have a representative who would like to speak about the award for the best use of technology in the sustainable category. Can you please raise your hand so we can have you up on screen? We have Mr. Ranjan Kanya. Hi, Mr. Ranjan. Mr. Ranjan, please.
Hi. Yeah. Am I audible?
Hi. Absolutely. We can
Yes,
hear you. Yes.
yeah. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to this award organizing committee, so-called E-Statements Award, being chosen our Ford Global Technology and Business Center project for Gold Award under the category of best use of technology under the subcategory of sustainable. I take this opportunity to recap our project. Deserved for this award is probably, there are plenty I can say, in fact, but due to short of time, I just look back our project journey days in short, where our project given high importance on beating the natural calamities and overcoming their unforeseen adverse effect from the design stage to execution until commissioning of the project. The project team always engaged and demonstrated an extensive sustainability and enhanced performance across all parameters of sustainability in the areas of safety, quality, eco-friendly processes and products, energy and water conservation, recycling and reuse of waste material, and so on. I proudly say that in coming days, these efforts will keep our construction industry ever balancing, irrespective of not only the natural calamities like cyclone, but also the pandemic situation like COVID-19. With this, I must convey special thanks to Ms. Sonali and Geetika, who has supported me and absorbed my all three nomination, even though while I was a little late entry. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you both. Once again, I thank the E-Statements Linkswell Award Committee for honoring our effort and chosen our fourth project with 3 valuable awards, which made our project and our project team ever memorable one. Thank you all.
Congratulations, Mr. Ranjan, for the great work that your team has been doing and for this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
so much.
you.
Thank you.
With that, we will move to a category of award, and this is for the preferred brand in the adhesive category. And this award goes to Pidilite. The next category is the most preferred brand in the steel category, and this award goes to SR Steel. We shall now move to the Apex Award, which are the premium awards for any awards property. And the first category in this section is for the MD of the Year in the real estate sector. And this award goes to Mr. Pankaj Bansal. The next category in the Apex Awards is for the real estate brand of the year. And this award goes to Puravankara Limited. The next award in the Apex category is for the developer of the year. And this award is taken by Godrej Properties. The next category under the Apex Award section is for the EPC firm of the year. And this award goes to Tata Projects. The next category under the Apex Award section is for the housing finance firm of the year. And this award goes to HDFC. The next category under the Apex Award section is for the project of the year. And this award goes to Rastamji Elements, Mumbai. The next category is for the project of the year, retail. And this award goes to Omex Chalk, Delhi. Next category is the real estate property portal of the year. And this award goes to 99 Acres. With that, we come to the end of our first section, which was the Statesman Awards 2021. And I congratulate all the winners for bagging this coveted honor.